Step 1 is to clean all the areas where we're going to fit components. So it's basically the perimeter. I'm going to be using alcohol wipes to clean my door, but equally you can use a microfiber cloth damp with water or maybe a little bit of methylated spirits. The important thing is that the surfaces where we're going to fit components are very clean and dry, so the adhesive has maximum holding power. I'm going to start by cleaning the head of the door here. I'm going to clean the trailing edge here, what we call the trailing edge where it slides into the cavity, and the latch side edge here where the door actually butts into. Finally, I'm going to clean the bottom face of the door, the bottom edge of the door, where we're going to fit the bottom component. Let's have a look at that now. Okay, we're cleaning the head of the door now. We're cleaning the trailing edge of the door here. So on this surface we're going to be fitting the component, but also we're going to be fitting one on the surface of the door here. So it's very important to get in there. I'm going to use a long knife to get the cleaning cloth in there. So it's very important to clean the face of the door. It's probably quite dusty. We've cleaned the head and the trailing edge. Now we're going to clean the latch side where the door butts up. We're cleaning this surface here. All the way down. Once you finish the latch side, it's important to clean this face of the door. Now we're ready to start fitting.